the sword. Uh-oh, he lost his helmet. Now he's got to get his helmet.
Not yet.
He looks too cute. Do you believe, Kaylee? Thomas started school this year?
Huh?
Thomas started school this year?
Really?
Oh, it is on.
No, that Caleb and Thomas are the same age.
Are they?
Yeah.
Caleb was a little older.
So Caleb,
I can't get it out.
Yeah, so
Not
Thomas
big
was
enough.
5 in
That's good enough.
February. I don't know why.
See, Mo? My blue one.
Caleb's younger. He didn't turn
How
5
old's
until
Chloe?
June. 6.
Oh, maybe I got it confused then. Okay.
Not yet.
Maybe I thought
She's-
Caleb was older.
Not yet.
Chloe's in April and Caleb's is in June.
Oh, wow.
They're 15
What do you gotta
months
get?
apart.
He's tired from the
Oh! A cheap shot.
And he goes with his father tonight?
That's right.
What do you gotta do? Pick him up?
No. He goes to sleep for about 2 or 3 hours and then
That's a minute.
sometimes he don't go to sleep till 4 o'clock in the morning. That's all too.
Say please. Ask Mommy how she learned her manners.
Staying here.
She remembers.
Where
Stay
are my
here.
other guns?
Honey, there should be all on the top. There should be 4 of them.
You know, I have this on video camera, right?
That's why I
That's
done
your
it. I was
chest.
like,
That goes here.
Come here, you want me to put it on? Come here, Keegan. To me, it's just so funny to see.
I'm getting it on video.
I was trying, but everything
Mine's packed, so I can't get it on mine.
yeah.
It's a good thing about the iPhone.
Take this off for a minute.
Yeah, I heard that. That was a subtle. Haha.
Yes, it was.
No,
No,
honey, it's
it
gotta
goes
go
in
in
Actually,
front
it
of
wasn't so subtle coming from
Key,
you.
it goes in front.
This hand?
At least you didn't go with the classic me leaner.
There.
Yeah, that's a little old school, so yeah. I did it my way.
Oh,
Now he's all right.
did you hear the latest? Apparently, Miriam thinks that we don't get along too well.
Yeah, I heard that. I was there this morning.
How did she ever get that idea?
Yeah, because I know. I don't try to figure out Miriam.
I know, she's crazy
That's
Mexican.
how it goes on. You just wait.
And my ex-wife.
Yep. Yeah, she wants her child support payment too.
Well, yeah.
But you know what? They give him $1. The kids love him. Who'd have thought, right? Where's your armor? Here, Brian has no armor.
I'm too tough. I don't need armor.
It's like gladiators.
Get some.
Bloody.
Off with his head!
That's the baby.
Kill your brother!
Hey.
Is she huge? Brian?
Yes, I'm huge.
Kill
I
your
think
mommy!
You're bigger.
I
Kill-
weigh
what-
30.
what do you need
I gained
now?
30 pounds with him. I've only gained like 15 with this.
You look bigger than what?
He needs
I would got in size 8.
He needs something.
I'm still in my jeans that I wore before pregnant.
Yeah, but you look bigger than you were with him. Last year you lost some body weight.
Yeah.
Actually, that's a breastplate.
He's got it on.
Well, he wants another one on,
You
I
want
guess.
2 of them on?
You want one on the back
Put it
part?
on, put it on the bottom part so he's all protected, genitally speaking.
Well, it depends on where he wants it.
Take her poo.
Tigger and Poop.
Take her poo.
Alright, hang on there. I gotta connect this baby.
Poor kitty.
I
We
want
putting it
blood!
on your, Keegan, we putting it on your back? Okay, you gotta put down the sword and the other thing.
You gotta take the shield off.
Uh-oh. Shoot.